If you have purchased a new SSD and want to transfer your current Windows operating system, along with all installed programs and drivers, to the new drive, in this tutorial I will explain to you how to clone your current operating system to a new hard drive using free software. If you're watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Now we will right-click on the Windows logo to go to Disk Management. Here I have the main hard drive containing the operating system, with the total size of 900 gigabytes divided into 3 parts. Partition C, EFI System and Recovery Partition. Here is the new hard drive with a total size of 200 gigabytes, unallocated. Now we will go to Google search and type DiskGenius. We will go to the first link. We will now click on Free Download to download the program. We will now double-click on the program to install it. We will remove the check mark from this box and click Finish. This is the license agreement. Here I will check this box. Now we click on OK. This program performs many functions, including creating a new partition or backup partition, but what concerns us in this tutorial is cloning the operating system to the new hard drive. To do that, we will press OS Migration. This is the target disk to which we will clone the operating system. We will select it and then press OK. Through this window, we see at the top the source disk containing the current operating system and at the bottom the target disk to which the operating system will be copied. Now we press Start. This is a warning that the target disk will be formatted and all its files erased. Therefore, you should make sure that there are no important files on the target disk before starting. This is another reminder to save any work you do before starting. I will now press Hot Migration. The cloning process will now begin and will take a few minutes depending on the number of installed programs and files on partition C. The cloning process is complete, and now it asks me if I want to restart the computer to access the BIOS and choose to boot from the target disk. I will press No. Let's now take a look at disk management. As you can see, the target disk is divided into 3 sections, just like the source disk. Now you have 2 options. The first is to enter the BIOS and select the target disk to boot from. And the second is to remove the old hard drive after shutting down the computer and restarting the computer to boot from the new hard drive. And that's what I'm going to do. I will now shut down the computer to remove the old hard drive. Now I have restarted the computer to boot from the new hard drive on which I have cloned the operating system. Let's now take a look at disk management. As you can see, here is the new hard drive with a total capacity of 200 gigabytes after cloning the operating system onto it from the old hard drive. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to create more helpful tutorials.